Today, we will discover how to spot setups quickly. We will be observing the price action in detail for momentum trading. Furthermore, we will improve our trading skills to achieve pro trader level. If you are ready, let's go! Let's observe a very specific price action happening in Bitcoin lately. Again, I will try to use a single layout so you can notice and feel all the price action on a single screen. First, notice this lovely line, a very specific support and resistance flip location. Carefully look at the price. It cannot break through this area at least 4 times, struggling to make a break. But at some point, this resistance is strongly broken, and the price bursts suddenly. So, what was once a resistance line now becomes a support line. This is what I call a flip. Others call it a break and retest, but names are not important. Just understand the price action. Now, if you look at the layout above, you will also notice that these locations become a very lovely multi-imbalance area, a specific price level with 5 imbalances from 5 different time frames. I hope that everything is very clear up to this point. Now, what else are we seeing in this price action? 2 specific masterclass amplifiers, the previous day's high and the previous week's high. These institutional levels are natural SR flip locations which boost your trade ideas. This is a high quality pattern altogether here. Let me observe the price action in detail here one more time with a couple of additions. You already understand this pattern. Here are a couple of tricks for you. Notice the inner liquidity area building upside, and the swap liquidity area on the downside as well. All this happens at a multi-imbalance level, as you can see in the layout above. So, what is this setup at its core actually? A simple PO3, the power of 3. Accumulation, manipulation, and the expansion, some call it distribution. Classic combo of price action and smart money trading concepts. I have to talk about a very specific thing here. This is the PDL level, the previous day's low level. Just look at it carefully. Price is extremely close hunting the PDL. But it's also not far away from the PDH as well, the high level. Right at this point, if you try to take a trade like this one here, this is not a wrong idea. There are no wrong ideas in trading. There are only wins and losses. Please do not overthink about it. But there are a couple of problems that we know here. First of all, price is extremely close to the previous day's high and low at the same time, which makes the area a bit tricky actually. Then, if you look above, there is also an equal high structure above, open liquidities as well. But the main problem is different. What you see here is a triangle shape. Basically, there is no clear structure here. There is no trend. Orders accumulate for a long time without any downtrend or uptrend. There is no bullish or bearish structure. All the price is doing is just creating so many open liquidities on both sides, upside and the downside. These kind of trades are generally extremely choppy and tricky. The best action is to let the price action happen with clearer movements and then wait for the price to clear up before making a full decision. Otherwise, many times you'll be forcing trades. Okay folks, have a great and nice day. Remember to manage your risks. See you in the next video. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free trading view indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.